Here's your Storm Track 5 weather forecast. Now, meteorologist Ricky Matthews.
Well, good morning and a special good morning to all of our out-of-town visitors visiting for the race weekend. I think you're going to love the forecast for today, but we really need to talk about tomorrow because there are some forecast changes coming up. Check out this, a live picture, time-lapse actually, from Bristol Motor Speedway. Look at the valley fog. It's really awesome to see that out there this morning. The fog will burn off as we go later into the day, and we were left with a very nice afternoon. Really a very nice morning already in downtown Bristol. Sun coming up over the mountains, a really bright day ahead of us before maybe a chance of rain later this afternoon. 52 degrees right now, but that temperature is going to go up about 30 degrees this afternoon. I think we're going to see afternoon highs around 80 degrees. Here's the radar and satellite. All the rain's down to our south, and the clouds cleared out overnight. That really allowed the fog to form, and the clouds are going to stay clear for the most part. I think we're going to see a little bit of clouds forming the mountains this afternoon, though that could limit the temperatures a little bit. We're at 50 right now in Elizabethton, 52 in the Tri-Cities, 57 up in Wise, and 50 in Jonesville. Those temperatures, as I mentioned, are going to go up this afternoon. 50 right now across the Tri-Cities, 60s to the east, and if you're visiting from out west, you're in the 50s as well across portions of Kentucky and western Tennessee. So as we go through the afternoon, we're going to be tracking really some shorts and t-shirt weather for today, but some poncho and umbrella weather for tomorrow. And we'll talk a little bit about that and show you why we're going to see that. Here's the radar across the area right now. Nothing across our region, but as we go and take a little bit of a wider view, which there you go, wider view across the area, you see the rain out to the east and more rain out to the southwest. A lot of moisture across the Gulf of Mexico and even some snow across portions of Colorado, believe it or not. That moisture is going to move towards us as we go later into the day today and especially into Sunday. So because of that, we've raised our severe threat tracker to the elevated or medium category for Sunday because some of the rain could be locally heavy at times, and we could even see a stronger thunderstorm as we go into Sunday night and into Monday. So Future Track's going to show you this. As we go through the day today, clouds around later in the afternoon, a slight chance of rain this afternoon. I think there's a chance we could see a few scattered showers or storms. Could be locally heavy in the areas they do move across. And then the heavier rain moves in tonight. And that heavier rain starts to push in from the south, especially as we go towards the morning hours tomorrow. As we go towards race time, I think the rain's going to be scattered across the area. We likely will see a delay tomorrow, but I think there's a potential we could get the race in later in the day because you see this clearing back to the west. That's going to move through around 4 to 8 p.m. And I think there is a potential we could see a little bit of a break to get the rain in. So for today's race forecast, 75 at 1:30, 4:30, around 80 degrees, slight chance of rain late in the race. Tomorrow, though, these temperatures are probably going to be a little bit warmer, but if we get a little more rain, we will see the temperatures a little lower, 65 and then 69 as we go later into the day with the race coming up as at 1 o'clock tomorrow. 80 degrees today, hit and miss showers. Rain showers increasing tonight, 59 for an overnight low. Across the region, temperatures generally in the 80s today, 80 in the Tri-Cities, 79 in Abington, 76 in Marion, just a little bit cooler. And then tonight, upper 50s across the area, 56 in Marion, 57 in Boone. Here's your 7-day forecast. Check out that. There's the rain the first 3 days. Then as we go into Thursday and Friday of next week, some more rain moves in, but I think, Olivia, if we can get the race in tomorrow, it's probably going to be late in the day, and I do see that glimmer of hope. So it's not all lost, race fans, so don't, go out of town yet. I think we're going to be okay. And, of course, Monday, though we do have the chance of rain, later in the day we'll have a better chance of being dry if we have to go to Monday.
Well, it's good news. People just have to stay here longer.
Yeah, why not?
And I mean, all sorts of fun.
Just enjoy yourself. You'll be fine.
And have an umbrella.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Ricky.